Welcome to section number 10 on databases and MongoDB. In this section, you're going to learn how to connect your Node.js application to a database so you can store user data. We're also going to be starting our third of 4 apps in this section. That is our Task Manager REST API. This application is going to have all of the features you'd expect from a real-world app. We'll have user authentication with an email and password. We'll have database data storage for user data, we'll have file upload support for user profile images, and we'll have email notifications and more. Now, before we get to any of that, the focus in this section is on the very basics. We're going to start by setting up the database server on our machine. Then we're going to figure out how we can connect to that database from Node.js. And from there, we'll move on to explore how we can perform those 4 basic CRUD operations. That is C for creating data, R for reading data, U for updating data, and D for deleting data. I'm excited to get to it, so let's jump right in.